Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how to remove age restriction on YouTube. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up YouTube. Now I click on your profile icon on the very top right. You'll see it there in small. And click on settings. So that's just below your data in YouTube and above help and feedback. Under purchases and memberships, go ahead and click on general. So we'll go ahead and open that up now. And there you are. There is the restricted mode. You can see it there. You can turn it on or you could turn it off. Now, if you were to do it on PC, the process is a lot easier than it is on mobile. Click on your profile icon on the top right. And straight away, you'll actually see the restricted mode. So you can go ahead and activate the restricted mode if you want to. It'll refresh the page for you. And if you want to turn it off, go ahead and go back and deactivate restricted mode. So it's as easy as doing it like that. But there you have it. That is how to turn off or turn on restricted mode. If you guys enjoyed the video, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.